breakfast. Maybe a snack, man. Not having pizza for breakfast. Alright, so we're 2 hours away from Tokyo. So this is going to be our last meal served by Japan Airlines crew. And pizza looks very healthy. Healthy pizza on board. And they have vegetable with dressing. What do we have here? Ranch dressing today. And I got orange juice. There you go. Alright. I'll try something different. I'm gonna eat pizza with chopstick. This time, let's try. Kind of awkward. You don't use chopsticks to eat your pizza, but I'm gonna do it for fun. Alright, so got my chopstick here. I'm gonna grab a bite of the pizza. Alright. There you go. Alright. Not bad. It's not salty. That's good. Let me get another bite. There you go. Alright everybody. Wherever you are, have a good day. I'll see you later.